Hi patrons, showing you a beautiful set of highway foot pegs, which is of course mounted on a very strong 4-point mounting, 4-point mounting engine guard, again designed and manufactured by AeeDEA. Let me just show you the highway foot pegs. Uh, they give you super comfort. Now, when we are riding the motorcycle, right, our knees are always bent at a very acute angle, giving a lot of knee pain. Now, when you are doing a long ride, you can just stretch your legs and be very comforted, and your leg will never slip because this whole stainless steel grip plate is going to make sure that your boot is not going to slip off at all. And this is indexable, right? So if you are a very tall rider, you can move it further in front. If you are a short rider, you can move it all the way back towards yourself. And it comes with a little bit more adjustment on this main plate where you can move it up and down. Works like a charm. Of course, it works with the AeeDEA engine guard. And I'll just show you how it looks on both sides. So it gives you this nice highway ride comfort, and of course when you are not using them, when you're off-roading, you can fold it, and you don't have to worry about anything. There is enough gap from the engine, from all the clamps and the bars, so you don't need to worry at all. Now that I'm talking about the highway foot pegs, I also want to talk about the engine guard. So the stock engine guard made by the OEM and other manufacturers as well. The reason I did not want to go with that idea was because it was putting the load onto this member. It is just a mere tappet cover. It's a cylinder head cover. It's not a very strong member. It's probably made out of 3.5 aluminum, right? When my motorcycle falls, and with that force, if I happen to crack this, I have to stall, it will stall my ride. Therefore, at AeeDEA, what we went with the 3 mounts provided by the OEM, and the 4th mount we have taken from the chassis. So that gives you a very, very strong engine guard. When you fall, your engine guard is not going to come in contact with your engine. It will protect your motorcycle, and it leaves enough space all around the engine so that you never have any situation where your guard transfers the load onto the engine. Also would like to show you another product that we have created for this beautiful motorcycle. That's an indexable heel shifter. This heel shifter is a bearing operated. That means it's very, very smooth, right? It has a perfect recoil, no friction at all, because inside this member is a bearing. So therefore, when you are operating the heel shifter, it doesn't cause any additional friction element. And as you notice, this distance and this distance, it's about 25-30% more, which gives you a lot more leverage. So getting your motorcycle back into neutral is a piece of cake, right? And last but not the least, this heel shifter is an indexable heel shifter, independent of the angle of your toe shifter. So there is an indexer that comes here. As you can see, I am somewhere in the middle, given my riding style, and you can move this, down or up, and it comes with this very small catcher. So when you are doing a stand-on riding, it doesn't come in the way at all. So when you're doing a stand-on riding, it doesn't come in my way at all. Yet it allows me to easily operate my heel shifter even on a stand-on riding, and of course while I'm sitting and cruising, there is no problem at all.